Congratulations of your purchase of the best hydrogen water bottle. I'm going to be going through it with you right now, how to own and operate it. So, step number 1, take it out of its box. You're going to notice there's an instruction manual. Make sure to go through this thoroughly. Then next, you're going to go ahead and remove your bottle from the box. You're going to notice there's a plug inside. That's normal. You're going to take it out before you use it. We'll go through that in a second. You're also going to notice there is a charger. This charger is designed for the bottle, so please don't use anything else but this charger for your bottle. All right, the next step is you get it out of its box. You're going to take that plug out. The plug is designed in there to protect the electrodes. You're going to notice a little water in there too. That's normal. So just go ahead and push that plug in like so. And go ahead and take it out and save this. Okay, so now the first time you're going to use it, go ahead and put water in it. And then you're going to charge it overnight with its own plug, about 12 hours or so. Okay, now what we've already done for you is we fast forward and we have it here available. It's already been filled up. So when you fill up your water bottle for the first time, also don't put it in the dishwasher, just do hand cleaning on this. Fill it up right below the fill line. If you go too much, it's going to have too much gas, it can't escape, and it might actually leak. So just make sure you put it right below there. You want to fasten it on tight, so everything's tight. Okay, now it's charged up, and you want to go ahead and push the button one time for the 5-minute cycle. And you notice the battery charger comes on, tells you where the battery's at. Just one tap, very light, gentle tap, gets you 10 minutes. So you're going to let the gas stay here for 10 minutes. You should get about a 4.5 to a 5.0 parts per billion of hydrogen. And then make sure you drink it fresh. So once it's done, drink it right away. It's going to give you the best results that way. So another thing, when you get it done here, if you are not using it, you want to make sure that you have a little bit of water in the bottom of it, or put that plug back in with a little water so it always protects the plates. And if you're using water that's got more calcium in it, you might want to clean it every couple weeks with some citric acid or some vinegar. You can just use a tablespoon or half a tablespoon, shake it up, rinse it out. And then again, don't put it in the dishwasher. Make sure to use its own plug. Make sure you fill it below the line, not too much. And then you have 2 settings, the 5-minute and the 10-minute. And you're going to love your bottle. Make sure to like and share this video with your friends so that they can get a bottle too. If you're tuning into YouTube for the first time, make sure that you are a subscriber because we give away a lot of great goodies. All right, guys, enjoy your bottle. Until we see you, be happy, be healthy, and be free.